In this quick video, I'll show you how to find YouTube channel emails. If you found this video helpful, then please consider subscribing my channel and also like this video. So firstly, search the channel name you want to get email address of. I will search here channel name. I want to get email address of Mr. Beast. So for that I will search his channel name and then go to the channel. I will click on this channel. After that, click on the about information of the channel. You will get it here on the top side of subscribe button. I will click there and then click on view email address. But before that, make sure one thing, that you want to get email address of any channel, but the creator you want to get email address of must have provided their email address on YouTube. In my case, Mr. Beast have provided their email address on YouTube, so I can get it. For that I just need to click on view email address. In most of the cases, creator have provided their email address on YouTube, and then click on I am not a robot, confirm that, and then click on submit, just like so. And now you can see I have got Mr. Beast email address and I can contact him directly using his email address. So this is the way. Now it's your time to repay me. For that you can just subscribe my channel. I would really appreciate it. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.